So in the intro, we're gonna count to 5 beats. And do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Okay. So I have here my iPad and kind of wrote it out like this. Okay. Can you see that? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up here, I wrote up to 5, right? But it might get hard counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we're playing the drums, it's gonna be a little easier counting 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay, like that. Okay. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and you're just gonna do that over and over again. It's just gonna be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So that's the basic beat of the intro. Basically split up into 5 beats. And yeah, okay, we'll get into it. Okay, so like I said, the intro is split up into 5 beats. And okay, so here it is, right here. So I wrote the first part of the intro like that. So as you can see, we're still counting 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, right? But then as you can see, some of these numbers are small like that, and some of these are big. Oh, oops. Oop. Sorry about that. Just gonna write 1 right there. Some of these numbers are small, like I was saying, and some of these numbers are big. And so what that indicates is that the big numbers, you're hitting the drums. You're going to be hitting the drums on the big numbers, and on the small numbers, these are rest beats. Okay, and so if we counted 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This we could read it as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So like that. Okay? And then the next line is gonna be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Like that. Okay? So and then the third line is the same thing as the first line. Just 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then the last line is the same as the second line, except for this beginning right here. In the second line, we said 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. But then in the last line, the fourth line, we're gonna do 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Like that. Yep. I don't have a drum right now, so it's kind of hard to demonstrate. So, yeah, do my best. All right. So, yeah. So we did. I explained to you guys this part, right? And then tried to circle, but then I realized I tried to circle which hand should play when, but then I realized that it's not that clear, so I just kind of rewrote everything. And so this right here, you might be wondering what that is. So this is what we went over earlier. It's just the same beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, right? Like that. But then I just kind of wrote down here. Red indicates that you hit with both hands, your right hand and your left hand. And then blue indicates you just hit with your right hand, and then green indicates you hit with your left hand. But if you're a lefty, it's just the opposite, just right and left. Okay. Oh, oops. So yeah, if we were to play this, it's gonna be 1 2 1 2 3, 1 2 1 2 3, right? But then it will be both to right, left, rest. Oh wait, let me try that again. So it's gonna be both, rest, right, left, rest, both, rest, right, left, rest, both, rest, right, left, rest, right, left, rest. And then the third line is the same as the first line. And then the fourth line, remember there's this little tricky part over here. It's gonna be 1 2 and 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. So if you're wondering which hand plays when, it's just gonna be both, right, left, left, rest, right, left, rest, like that. So yeah, that's gonna be the first part of the intro. So after we play that, there's the second part, and then there's the third part, and there's the fourth part. A lot of you guys know this already, but I'm just trying to clarify it for those of you guys that don't know it yet. So yeah, and then I'll move on to part 2. Okay, so I'll just feel like it's hard to understand, so I'll just show you guys how to play real quick. Okay, so you guys could just look at the screen while I play along. Okay, so I'll just can't hit it, so I'll just use my fingers. Ready? So it's gonna be 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 and 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Oops. A little. Yeah. So I think the last line might be confusing, so I'll just play just the last line again. Right, so the last line is 1 2 and 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. I'm gonna play both right left rest, right left rest, like that. So it's gonna look like 1 2 and 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3, like that. Okay, so that's part 1 of the intro. Alright, I'll actually show you guys that one more time on the table, because I feel like that'll be easier for you guys to understand how it would be like in real time. So I'm not gonna say it, but it's just how it's supposed to sound. Okay, right, so I'm just gonna play on the table. Ready? So the intro, I'm first gonna scream, right? There it goes. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'm gonna mirror you guys. So my left hand is gonna be the right hand, and my right hand is gonna be the left hand. Okay? So it's gonna be like 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1. Oh, I messed up. 1 second. All right, let's try that again. Okay, ready? It's like 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 and 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Yeah. So that's part 1 of the intro. Alrighty. Now I'm not gonna say the numbers, the 1 2 1 2 3, but instead I'm just gonna play, and I might play a little fast just to let you guys know what it feels like. Okay. So it goes like this. Hop. Yeah. I think I messed up on the last line right there, so I'll just play the last line again. It's kind of hard playing a mirrored version, but I'll try it again. The last line. So it goes like this. The last line is 1, 2. Okay, ready? Yeah, like that. Okay. Alrighty. Since I messed up on that last one, I'm gonna try it again for you guys. So it sounds like this. Yep. So that was 2 times. I played that 2 times just to let you guys know what it feels like. Okay? Okay, so that was the end of today's lesson. So today we learned intro, first part of the intro, and there are 4 parts to the intro. And after that, we're gonna learn the outro and the variations of the outro. And the week after that, not the week, and then however many weeks after that, probably work on solos. So yeah, and here's the plan right here. So as you guys can see, okay, right there. Yeah, as you guys can see, let me just back up a little bit. Week 1, so that was today. We did intro, the first part. So that's what we learned today. Today we learned the intro, the first part. Next week we're gonna learn intro, second and third part. Okay? And then week 3 we're gonna learn the intro. We're gonna review the third part, and then we're gonna go into the fourth part. We're gonna learn how to transition from the third part to the fourth part. And then week 4 we're gonna learn the outro. And then week 5 we're gonna learn some variations of the outro. And week 6 we're gonna work on solos. 7, the same thing, solos. Week 2, and then 8 we're gonna work on solos again. So yeah, and then after that, Korean school should probably be opening, but we'll see. We'll see after that many weeks. We'll see how things turn out. So yeah, that was today's lesson. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time.